Waves has just released their brand new online mastering tool. If you click the link in the pinned comment or this video's description, you can go over to their website, you can upload a track and try it out for free to see if you like it. So if you just got done recording your next single or your hit album, or you just have a song laying around that needs a little fixing up, hey, send it on over the Waves. For a few dollars per track, you should have something that comes back sounding like it just came out of a top-notch, very professional recording studio. But like I said, if you click on the link I give you in the pinned comment or in this video's description, you can go over to their website, try the service out for free, and see if you like it. So, maybe give that a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you next time. Lightning out. See ya.